Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out Crate Club, the January 2022 General Box. Let's check it out. So if you're not familiar with Crate Club, it's a quarterly subscription box that sends some pretty cool EDC, survival, and tactical gear straight to your door. And the January box here isn't the biggest Crate Club I've seen. I mean, it's a pretty big box still, but not nearly as big as some of the other ones I received. So let's just dive right in here and see what we got. As I mentioned, yes, this is the General box. Put this off to the side. Let's just grab the top item here. And this is a Hero clip. So this looks like a carabiner with a hook on it. Say hello to your new favorite hands-free helper. So it says there's 3 different sizes. This one is the medium, 60 pounds max, 27 kilograms. So this is pretty cool. You can never have enough carabiner style clips in your backpack. I have tons of them, but the carabiners that I have are all climbing carabiners that can hold a ton of weight. This one is just 60 pounds max. Probably good for camping. This says hike, shop, work, travel, do it yourself, dine, family, pet, organize. So this is pretty cool. I'll definitely put this to use, but let's move on. The second item here, some body wipes. So these body wipes are from Clean Freak here. Antibacterial, scent-free, 100% biodegradable, odor neutralizer, unwind approved, contains aloe, alcohol free. So I've been meaning to pick some of these up because I work a lot outside, and where I live, it gets very, very humid in the summertime. And sometimes I'm working between 13 to 16, 17 hours a day, and something like these can come in handy. So there's a ton of them in here. How many are in this package here? Unless I'm missing it, I don't really see how many are in this package. But as you can see, there are a ton of these wipes here in this package. This is awesome. All right, next. What's this guy? A lead lenser. ML6 lantern. So what's up with this lantern? 750 lumens, 240 hours of runtime. Micro prism technology, power bank, smart light technology. Looks like it might have a magnetic base here. Let's actually take this out and check it out. All right, so the battery's out of it here. Comes with a, what is this? 3000 milliamp hour, 3.7 volt, 18650. And here's the lantern itself. It has a hook right here. It comes with the USB charger here, but this is a micro USB type A to micro. So this bottom just unscrews right here. I'll plop the 18650 in there. Just screw this in all the way. And let's turn this on. All right. Hold on the power button. So, okay. So it looks like it has a ramp up, and that's the max. Hold it down. And let's get to the lowest level, and that's the lowest level there. This is pretty cool. You can see right here it says in and out because this is a power bank, so you can charge it with the USB cable right here, and then this would be to charge whatever devices you might have. Yep, there's the USB type A port. So this is pretty cool. Oh, here we go. There's a red light there. I just pressed the power button in once. Looks like some kind of a strobe. And then a red flashing light. And then back to the steady low right here. So this is awesome. I'm gonna have to play around with this further. And okay, comes with a nylon carrying pouch right here. Warranty information, has a 7-year warranty. That's pretty good. All right, next we have some new hemostatic pads, Hermofiber technology, 2 4x4 hemostatic pads. These are actually very good to have in your first aid kit because if you have a cut that's too deep or too big for a Band-Aid to handle, that's where these guys come in. For temporary external use to control bleeding. These are nice. Just one of these packages in here. Yeah, just one of these packages, but this will definitely make its way into my first aid kit. All right, next, it looks like we have a knife here. Tops Knives, certificate of manufacture and authenticity. It comes with a certificate of authenticity. Cool. I'll give you guys a close-up of that certificate right here. All right, let's just take the knife out. It's like it's wrapped in some plastic. There's a rubber band wrapped around it. Let me just pull this right off. Take it right out. Oh, all right, nice. Tops Poker. So check out the blade shape here. This is pretty interesting. Looks like it's a micarta handle with a finger loop at the very end here. And the sheath here appears to be made of Kydex. It has these rubberized straps, maybe to attach to your backpack or molly system here. So let me read here about this Tops Knives Poker. Overall length is 6.88 inches. Weight is 2.7 ounces. Blade material is 1095. Handle material is black micarta. And it says here it's a kiridashi style knife. I don't own any knives of this style. I was about to say it was more of a karambit style, but the blade is very, very different. And I don't actually own anything from Tops either, made in the USA, so this is very cool. And next we have a First Line synthetic CLP gun oil. So this is a CLP oil applicator right here. Let me just take this right out of the packaging here. If I open this up here, you can see there's oil in that little cylinder right there, that see-through cylinder. Applicator is right here, a little felt tip. It says First Line synthetic CLP gun oil is formulated for maximum gun and environmental protection, significantly improves cleanup after firing. So I can't really demonstrate that right here at this moment. It has a little clicking action right here at the end. And there's oil. I'm guessing that's getting oil into the tip here. So I should probably stop doing that. Shows you how much I know about this product here. So I'm gonna go wipe this off and then let's move on.
A few moments later.
And this is pretty awesome because I was looking at these not long ago. It's Quick Cord. I was definitely looking into these a few months ago. These are pretty nice to house your paracord in. Makes it nice and organized. And it comes with a safety light stick, this glow stick right here, 6 inches. Can attach right to the outside, right under this Velcro right here. And you can sort of see that on the little insert right here. 12-hour emergency signal, guys twirling it around. What else do we have here? Tangle-free paracord, built-in cutter, which is right there. Little buttons right here on each side. Let's depress those and take off this end piece here. And it looks like that other piece, yep, there it is, right there, that fits into the other side. Once you have all this together, just have to thread the paracord through and then just slowly stuff the paracord in so it stacks on top of each other. So whenever you need the paracord, just easily comes right out. Cut it right here on the side. This thing is awesome. And I like the fact that it comes with the paracord here, actually matching paracord. So this is awesome. It saves me a purchase from having to buy this myself because I was actually about to buy this thing. But I will put this off to the side and we're running down to the last few items here. All right, next we got a Fox Edge knife. So gives me an opportunity to use this poker here, this Tops Poker. Very cool. Let's pop this bad boy open. We have a folder here. And it's pretty interesting because I get a lot of Fox Edge knives out of these crate clubs or these subscription services, but they're always fixed blades. Very rarely a folder like this. And this guy is pretty chunky too. It's a rear flipper. Oh, that was terrible. All right. Liner lock, and it looks like we have to get in at a certain angle to get some leverage for that flipper. So if you just give it a little weak flip, yeah. It doesn't have the best flipping action I've ever seen, but man, this thing is overbuilt like crazy. So it looks like possibly G10 handles here, stainless steel liners, liner lock, I already mentioned that. What's the steel here? VG10 is the steel. Drop point blade. It's this bunch of jimping, some really aggressive jimping here on the spine of that blade. See if I can get my camera to focus right there. Look at that. Goes up roughly about halfway up the spine of this blade. Stainless steel pocket clip right here, deep carry. Is it reversible? Yes, it is reversible. And at the end here, it looks like there is a glass breaker. So let me look this up here. This is the Fox Edge FE 520. Overall length is 8.54 inches. Weight is 6.7 ounces. Blade material is VG10. Blade drop point flat grind. Blade finish is black Cerakote. Handle material is black G10. And looks like we have a stainless steel liner lock, which I already mentioned. This looks like a pretty substantial overbuilt beater knife. This just looks like it can take a beating and just keep on going. And check out the back here with that glass breaker. There's maybe like a quarter back spacer right there with some more jimping on it than a single barrel spacer right there. But it's all blacked out here. Everything from the black Cerakote, the black G10, the barrel spacer, the back spacer, even the pocket clip, the liners, even the screws. Everything's blacked out. Let me just try to flip this again. Yeah, it doesn't have the greatest flipping action. It's okay, but yeah, man, I don't know. Pretty cool. Looks like a nice beater knife for work. But let's move on to the very last product here in the box. And that is a Pod Extreme Power on Demand High Performance Automotive Jump Starter and Power Pack. Wow, what's this all about? So battery capacity is 16,000 milliamp hours, 59.2 watt hours. Start current is 800 amps. Peak current is 1500 amps. Features heavy duty exterior rubber coated, durable and rugged, highest output of its type, 12 volts for most vehicles, diesel and gas engines, motorcycles, V8s, diesel trucks, and so on and so forth. So let me take this out. I've actually owned quite a few portable battery packs like this, jump starter kits, and none of them has ever worked. It's not like my batteries on my vehicles go dead often, but the 2 times that it did happen, I happen to have a portable jumpstart kit like this, and neither one of them worked. They just failed to work. And this is really small. Look how small this guy is. I accidentally pushed the button here. The power button's on the side, and we have our digital display here. It says 100%. So let me press that. So can I hold that down and turn it off? Oh my God, I am doing other stuff. All right, stop doing stuff. I just want to turn you off. Hold this down. Looks like it has a half press and a full press. The full press activated these lights here on the side. So it doesn't have a half press and a full press. It just felt like that. Maybe the button was stuck and now I can't get those front lights to turn back on. All right, so you just have to hold down the power button here and it activates that light on the side here. Also comes with positive and negative jumper cables here. It looks like those plug right into right here on the side here. No, that's your USB. So it has a USB Type-C and then 2 USB Type-A ports right here. Oh, there it is. So it plugs right in to here, right on the front. Little rubber flap. Power button, and that's basically it. And it does come with a USB Type A to Type C cable here, instruction manual. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's in the case. So let me read up on this guy here. It says POD Extreme Jump Starter, ideal for any 12-volt system, polycarbonate housing. Rubber size, provides protection and impact resistance, built-in LED flashlights. Produces over 1,000 cranking amps, provides instant start capabilities for any vehicle. I've read that before on the 2 that I've had, and it just didn't work. And this guy is so little. There's really no way for me to test this out to see if it works. And I don't really plan on my battery in my vehicle going dead anytime soon, but if it does, I would definitely do a follow-up review on this bad boy and tell you if it works or not. Or if any of you guys out there have this brand, I'm curious to see if you've ever used it and what you started with it and if it works. But I do like this little carrying case that it comes in, little foam piece to protect it while it's in there. Not that you would need it. This thing feels like a brick. It's pretty heavy duty, man. That goes in there. Case covers that. Little spot for all the accessories here. Nice hard molded case. This is pretty nice. All right, guys, so that's the last thing in the box here. So let's go over everything that we have. Looks like we have the Clean Freak scent-free body wipes right there, the new stat hemostatic pads, the first line gun oil pen applicator, the quick cord right there, the Hero Clip medium. Next page is the Pod Extreme jump starter kit. Right here we have the LED Lenser ML6 750 lumen lantern. Over here the Fox Edge FE 520, and on the last page here the Tops Knives poker. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of this quarter's Crate Club General Box? Once again, we get some decent gear in here. We got 2 knives. This lead lenser lantern is awesome. I'm really curious about this Pod Extreme Jump Starter kit. I wish I had something I can jump start. I just don't. And it contains something I've been wanting anyways and I was looking to buy, is this quick cord system right here. So that's awesome. Now, if you guys are curious about Crate Club and want to check it out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe and go!